One of the things that I find common with most of my clients is they're always wanting to start doing something or to stop doing something. So I decided to do a 42-day challenge where you get the opportunity to choose what it is that you want to start or choose what you want to stop. This challenge is going to be based within a community, and we're going to be using the example of 5 kilometers in 6 weeks. You don't need to be using that as what you're wanting to start. That's just going to be the example that we're going to be using within the course content. Included with that example is we're going to have live events in different parts of South Africa, as well as in Antwerp, where you are going to be able to physically do the walk or the run. But don't let that stop you if you're not wanting to run, because you can literally start or stop whatever it is that you want to do. You are going to be given access to a 42-day challenge course material where it's going to keep you motivated and it's going to keep you accountable. You're also going to be plugged into a group community where you're going to be getting daily intake. This is how I am going to help you keep accountable for what it is that you said you were going to stop or start. Challenge starts on the 21st of April and it's for 6 weeks ending on the 1st of July. It's an absolute must if you're wanting to start something in your life or to stop something in your life. The way it works, you choose something. If you find that that's really difficult and you can't, we're going to be doing a little bit of that within the course content. Or you and I can have a session just to find out what it is that you're wanting to start or stop. Next is you're going to proactively take action. Proactively take action. Then we are going to be meeting on a weekly basis online. So it doesn't matter where you are, a weekly basis, so we can discuss the content that is around you achieving what it is that you need. If you're doing the running challenge with us, you're going to have an opportunity to meet in person in various areas. And then, of course, we are going to celebrate the fact that in 42 days, you have achieved what it is that you either want to stop or that you want to start. I'm really excited about this challenge, and I can't wait to find out where you are and what it is that you want to either stop or start. The register link is just below. Register, and I'll see you there. Cheers for now.